Hi viewers. You are watching Millennium Academy Accounting Hub. Accounting treatment of issuing shares. When shares are issued at par. For example, if a company issues 100 shares with a face value of $10 each at par. Face value means that the company sells its shares at their face value, or nominal value. This means that the investor pays an amount equal to the value printed on the share certificate. The journal entry will be cash account debit $1,000. This account is debited to reflect the increase in assets received from the issuance of shares. Share capital account credit $1,000. This account is credited to record the par value of the shares issued. When shares issued at a discount. For example, a company issues 1,000 shares of $100 each at a discount of 10%. When a company issues shares at a discount, it means they're selling shares at a price lower than their face value. To account for this, the following journal entry is made. Bank account debit $90,000. This account is debited to record the cash received from the issuance of shares. Discount on issue of shares account debit $10,000. This account is debited to record the loss incurred due to the discount. Share capital account is credited with the face value of the shares issued $100,000. When shares are issued at a premium. Example, a company issues 1,000 shares with a face value of $10 each, at a premium of $2 per share. This means the company will sell each share for $12. When a company issues shares at a price higher than their face value, or par value, it's called issuing shares at a premium. The excess amount received over the par value is known as the share premium. The journal entry to record this transaction would be bank account debit $12,000. This account is debited to record the receipt of cash from the issue of shares. To share capital account credit $10,000. This account is credited with the face value of the shares issued. To premium on issue of shares account credit $2,000. This account is credited with the premium amount received.
If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.